Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall solve the problems on limits by applying the L'Hospital's rule. So the first thing is that given. So the given is that limit as x tends to 0, sin x minus x divided by tan cube x. So here we are solving the problems of the limits of the form 0 by 0 form. So by clearly observing this is of the 0 by 0 form. So we have seen the rules that whenever there is a 0 by 0 form, so first thing is that we need to differentiate the numerator and denominator. That is, we need to first differentiate. So differentiate numerator and denominator. Until we get a finite value, means until we eliminate the 0 by 0 form. So the first thing is that, so consider this is of the form f of x divided by g of x. So the first thing is that we need to find the f dash of x and g dash of x. That is, we need to find the differentiation of f of x and g of x. So differentiation of sin x minus cos x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x minus differentiation of x is 1 divided by, so differentiation of tan cube x. So the first thing is differentiation of 3 into tan cube x, so remaining is tan square x into, so differentiation of tan x is nothing but sec square x. So we have found the f dash of x and g dash of x. So again this is of the form 0 by 0 form. So again what we need to do is we need to again find differentiate. So again differentiating. So again differentiating, we have, that is f double dash of x divided by g double dash of x. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and differentiation of 1 is 0. So therefore we shall write it as divided by, then again 3 into, so we need to find the differentiation of the denominator. So therefore 3 into 2 into tan x. Then differentiation of tan x is nothing but it is sec square x. So differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So sec square x into sec square x is sec raised to 4x. Then again plus. So again plus, we need to find the differentiation of this sec square x. So it will be 6 into tan cube x into keeping the sec square x as it is. So again we have found the second differentiation. Again this is of the form 0 by 0 form. So then again differentiating. So we need to differentiate till we get a finite value. So again differentiating, we have, that is f triple dash of x divided by g triple dash of x. Again we need to differentiate the numerator and denominator. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x, keeping minus sign as it is, again whole divided by. So again we need to find this. So therefore we need to find, that is 3 to 0, it will be 6 into. So therefore differentiation of, that is sec raised to 4x. So it will be sec raised to 6x, sec raised to 6x plus 24 into tan square x. Tan square x into sec raised to 4x, keeping sec raised to 4x as it is, plus again 18 into, so this we need to find this 6 into 3, it will be 6 3 is 18 into tan square x. Again differentiation of tan x is nothing but it will be sec x. So sec square x into sec square x will be sec raised to 4x. So again plus, we need to find this again. So it will be 12 into tan raised to 4x into sec square x. So now applying the limits. limits as x tends to 0. So since we have got the huge expansion, so now we shall apply the limit. So therefore limit as x tends to 0 minus cos x divided by 6 into sec raised to 6x plus 24 tan square x into sec raised to 4x plus 18 tan square x into sec raised to 4x plus, we have written the same here, 12 into tan raised to 4x into sec square x. So now the next thing is that we need to apply the limits as x tends to 0 using L'Hospital's rule. Earlier we have applied the L'Hospital's rule to differentiate the numerator and denominator. So the next thing is that we need to apply the limits. Limit as x tends to 0. So here the cos of 0 is nothing but 1 and keeping minus sign as it is divided by. So therefore sec 0 is, so the first thing is we need to find the sec 0. So we need to apply x to be 0. So tan 0 is 0. So 0 into 0 will be 0. Here also it will be tan. So tan 0 is 0. Again here it will be tan 0. So here we need to apply the 0. So tan 0 is nothing but 0. So entire this will be 0. And here also we have tan square x. So tan 0. So that is tan 0 is nothing but 0. Whereas sec 0 is nothing but 1. So here sec 0 it will be 6 into 1. Here it will be 0. And here we have tan 0. So this will be 0. And this also entire it will be 0. Only here we have 6, therefore it will be minus 1 by 6. So therefore we have reduced it using the L'Hospital's rule and found now we have find the finite value. So the finite value is found to be minus 1 by 6. Thank you friends. Subscribe our channel for more updates.